Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on your iPhone. It's actually easier than you think, and I'll guide you through it step by step. So let's get started. So first, go ahead and open your App Store and check if your WhatsApp is updated. Keeping the app updated is super important if you want access to all the latest features and to make sure everything works smoothly. And once that's done, head back to your home screen and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General, then select iPhone Storage. Give it a second to load everything. Then scroll down until you find WhatsApp. Tap on it and choose Offload App. This helps free app space without deleting any of your chat data. It's a smart way to refresh the app without losing anything. And after that, just tap Reinstall App and you're good to go. Next, stay in the settings and scroll down a bit more to find VPN and device management. Open that and double check that you're not connected to any VPN. Sometimes VPNs can affect how apps behave, especially when trying to refresh or reconnect apps like WhatsApp, so it's best to keep it turned off during this process. Now go back to your home screen and open up WhatsApp. And once you're in, tap on the little gear icon at the bottom right corner. That's your settings. So scroll all the way down and tap on Help. Then choose Help Center. And from here, tap on Chats. Then go to Individuals and Group Chats. This section has a lot of facts and official updates from WhatsApp. It's worth scrolling through to see if there's anything new about using multiple accounts on iPhone, or if there are updates to how account switching works. And that's basically it. It's not exactly having two apps installed like on Android, but if you follow those steps and check the Help Center often, you'll stay up to date with the latest ways to manage WhatsApp on your device. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and helpful tech tips. Catch you on the next one.